Hello students, welcome to my class. Today I am going to take your English subject. In that we are going to see one poetry. The name of the poetry is The Star and it is written by Jane Taylor. Before proceeding to our poetry, they have given you your little warm up. We will do that first, okay? Draw a line to match the picture and the word. We have to draw a line to match the picture with their word. So the first picture is sky. You can see here blue color, yes, and these are all stars. So this is the picture of sky. Where is the spelling of sky? Here, S-K-Y. So we are going to match it. And you will always use scale to match or to draw the line. Now the next picture is diamond. Yes, have you seen diamond? Yes, your mother's necklace will be there, earrings will be there, right? So where is the spelling of diamond? Here, D-I-A-M-O-N-D, diamond. So we are going to match it. Then the third picture is world. So where is the spelling of world? W-R-L-D, world, here. So we are going to match it. Okay students, now we will proceed further. You have enjoyed the rhyme Twinkle Twinkle Little Star in class, but did you know that the rhyme is a part of a longer poem? Read and enjoy the whole poem about a beautiful twinkling star. From playgroup, yes, we are learning this, we are hearing this rhyme, Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Yes, you all like this rhyme. But this is only the part. This poem is much longer than the poem. So, we will see this poem today. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. See here, you can see the picture. The boy is sitting here and he is looking in the sky. He is looking at the sky and he is saying twinkle twinkle little star. The meaning of the twinkle is shine as if flashing on and off very quickly. And how I wonder, here the meaning of wonder is you want to know something about, you want to know. Here you want to know about stars, right? How I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. He is saying you are up above in the sky and you are shining like a diamond in the sky. When the blazing sun is gone, when he nothing shines upon, then you show your little light, twinkle twinkle all the night. He is saying when the blazing means very hot. Sun is hot, right? When the blazing sun is gone, when the sun is not there in the sky, you come in the sky, then you show your little light. When you come in the sky, when the sun is not there and you give the light and twinkle twinkle all the night and you remain in the sky whole night. Then the traveler in the dark thanks you for your tiny spark. He could not see which way to go if you do not twinkle so. Here traveler means a person who is going from one place to another. Whenever you travel in the night, yes, you can see the light. That light, where the light is coming from sky. And who are there in the sky? Stars. Who is giving that light? Stars, right? Then the traveler in the dark thanks you for your tiny spark. Whoever travel in the night, they thanks you because you give them light. Yes, tiny means very small. Tiny means very small and here spark means twinkling light of a star. He could not see which way to go. If you were not there, he will not know where he is going. If you did not twinkle so. In the dark blue sky you keep and often through my curtains peep. You can see here the sky is dark blue in the night. Yes. and often through my curtains peep. You also peeping in through my curtains. For you never shut your eye till the sun is in the sky. You remain in the sky till the sun doesn't come in the sky, or till the sun does not come, till the next morning. And your bright and tiny spark lights the traveler in the dark. When your light is there, the traveler can travel very easily. You give lights to them to travel in a safe manner. If you will not there, how the traveler will travel? Yes, though I know not what you are, twinkle twinkle little star. I don't know who are you and what are you. Still, twinkle twinkle little star. You are twinkling in the star. Okay students, I hope you all have understood the lesson. Sorry, you all have understood the poetry. Okay, now we are going to evaluate. First question is, tick the right options to answer these questions. We have to put tick in front of the right options. First one is, what does the child feel when he or she sees the little star? In the second line of the poem, how they are feeling? Confused, surprised, tired or angry? They feel surprised. So we are going to put tick on the surprised. Second one is, when does the star show its light? When does the star show its light? After the sun has gone down, when the child looks at it, when the traveler visits, or when there is a spark. After the sun has gone down, when sun is not there, stars show their light. See the third one. How does the tiny spark of the star help the traveler? It shows him his path, it keeps him warm, it makes him happy, or the traveler finds it very peaceful. The answer is, it shows him his path. Fourth one is, how long does the star stay in the sky? Till the moon is around, till the sun is seen in the sky, till the child falls asleep, or till the traveler goes home, till the sun is seen in the sky. Next is, think and answer. This question answer I am going to give you in your notebook. I hope students you all have enjoyed the lecture. We'll meet you in the next lecture. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.